So how do you access your files on the iPad? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, your files, most generally speaking, are accessed through the Files app. So it should be pre-installed on the iPad. You can find it in the app library. It has the white icon with a blue folder on it. You can get inside and start browsing your files. There are different locations within the app, however. So when you make the side panel show up, you'll be able to see your locations. And most likely you're going to be browsing either the iCloud drive or on my iPad. So on my iPad is the local storage, physically stored on the iPad, and iCloud Drive is naturally part of your iCloud. So you can move your files in between as much as you like create folders and do whatever you need. It's like a standard file manager of the iPad, similar to what you have on your computer, right? So this is how you can find most of your files. As you can see, there are also other locations in here. So for example, if you download the Google Drive app and then just sign in, you can see that you can browse your files in here, but it will also appear in this Files app. So it kind of puts everything together and it makes it even more convenient because you can move your files from iCloud to Google Drive or to local storage. And, that's how you can manage all of your files in here. Keep in mind, however, that there are also some other apps which can get the job done. Like, for example, there is the Documents app, which you download from the App Store. And it kind of gets the same job done in just a separate place. So I guess if you don't like the Apple files, you can download a different one. But I'm happy with the built-in Apple Files Manager. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you had some other questions regarding this. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials, and I'll see you later.